So I am not a big fan of like you should follow your passion. I honestly believe like businesses are built around skills more than passion. Hey, what is up? I just finished my sales meeting and here's today's agenda. So what I'll be doing is I have a few follow-up calls, sales calls, so hopefully closing some deals. And then I'll also be creating a free training on high ticket sales for all of you peeps. I saw that I deleted my Wistia account, so the video that I embedded in my free landing page, it got deleted. So I'll have to create a new training, a better version of it with good production. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Alright, so all things set, we are now recording a course with Shreyas. A lot of our consulting members wanted help with Facebook ads. So we built an SOP for them, and now we are going ahead and building a course on it as well, so that their teams can use this to build Facebook ads and landing pages for them. Shreyas is a pro on performance marketing, so he'll be helping me out. So let's get started. So yeah, hey guys, I'm going for lunch, and this is where I'm breaking my fast. It has become a 36-hour fast. It was like a big deal for me. I never went past 24 hours. Feel good though. But yeah, yesterday I was very weak. Today I'll be eating a proper meal and take it forward. So yeah, let's go. All right, so I'm back from my lunch. I have a consulting call with a client, so I'll be taking it from in here because there are some meetings going on in the main area. So yeah, it does has a repeatability to it. So what we do is for every client that we have, we take consultation call, consult them with how they can improve their marketing, sales, or hire the right marketing team and sales team. So pretty much what I've seen over the years of experience, this thing is very replicable across the industry that we're working. We're working with service industry, right? So with service, if you have a good outreach process, good sales process, you're pretty much set. So you don't need anything else. So that's what I'll be helping one of my clients. His name is Ajay with, and yeah, that's how we'll take it forward. So let's get started. Ajay is here on the call. Alright, so now that the call is over, I also wanted to answer a lot of questions that people have been asking me. And very recently, one of my seniors have pinged me about like, hey, I want to quit my job and I want to start my new business. Let's explore some ideas together. To which like it got me thinking, and I thought like answering this in one of my videos will be like really helpful. Now, because I'm from a service background, I can give you this idea on starting a service business. So there can be like two different kinds of businesses. Either it's a product or it's a service, right? Now, which business to start? Well, my answer to that is like, where are you most skilled at? So I am not a big fan of like you should follow your passion, start a business around your passion and all those things, because I honestly believe like businesses are built around skills more than passion. If you are passionate about that industry, great, nothing like it. But what if you are not? What if you are not passionate about what you are selling? Does that mean you should stop doing it just because you don't like it? No, because I don't like a lot of things in my business. And primarily some things like it gets boring. But it's okay. Boring is where the money is. And if you don't have a skill to go along with, my first suggestion is to go ahead and learn the skill. Example, if you are a digital marketer and you want to start a digital marketing agency, the first advice that I would give you is like go do a job in a particular company, especially in an agency, just so that you know how the agency works. I don't like people who say 9 to 5 job is bad or something. I got the majority of my knowledge from a 9 to 5 job. I 100% recommend people to do a job, to understand, gain that industry experience, and come back and start a business. And that will give you a lot of head start. Next question that you should be asking yourself is like, can I get a lot more customers for myself in this particular industry? Do I have some existing network of people that I can tap into? Are there some people online that I can reach out to? So if you have that distribution channel and you know for a fact that just by sending a cold email or calling out a friend, I can get my first customers, that will be like the fastest thing that you can do for yourself. So when I got started, the first thing that I did was like I made friends with a lot of entrepreneurs. I literally created a WhatsApp group with my known entrepreneurs, and these people referred me other people. And that built my first distribution, and I started getting clients and my jobs, everything from there. And slowly I migrated into agency. So if you don't have a skill, find a co-founder in an industry that you have knowledge in and go heavy into it, because that will give you a lot of head start and that will make your life easier to start. And secondly, build your distribution channel so that you can go ahead and get clients. Even if the product is not perfect to begin with, if you can have a way to get clients, you can optimize your products anytime and get these clients back into your funnel, right? So I hope you got some idea about starting a business. I'm thinking to add a little bit of business knowledge while I'm doing vlogs. So do let me know in the comments if you like this kind of vlogs with my life plus business knowledge around it, right? So yeah, that's it for today. Right now I have a few others consultation calls. Evening I have a coaching call. I'll finish those and then I'll head home. So let's end the vlog here because I'll be really busy till night 9 or something. And yeah, let's meet tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching and see you.